Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Professor Gadak Dhanashree. Today we will discuss practical number 6, the theory of congruence and complex number on Maxima software. First, let us discuss in short concept of complex number. So complex number, if a and b are real numbers, their pair ab or a plus ib is called complex number. A is called real part of z and b is called imaginary part of z. A real part of z, it is denoted by capital RE of z, and imaginary part of z, it is denoted by IMZ. Next concept of complex conjugate. Let be any complex number z. Z is equal to x plus iy. Then the complex conjugate of z is x minus iy. It is denoted by z bar. For example, complex conjugate of 2 plus I is 2 minus I. Next concept of modulus. Let z is equal to x plus iy be any complex number. Then modulus of this complex number is under root x square plus iy square. It is denoted by mod z. Next concept of principal argument of z. Let us consider complex number z is equal to x plus iy. Then argument, another name of principal argument is amplitude of z, is defined to be theta, measured in radian, such that theta is equal to tan inverse of y upon x. Theta is varies from minus pi to pi, is called principal argument of z. Next, z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta, where r is equal to mod z and theta is equal to argument of z. This represent of z is called polar form of z. Next, first example, find the remainder when 2 raised to 10 is divided by 7. This example performed in Maxima software. Let us open Maxima software. You use syntax remainder 2 raised to 7 divided by 7, then enter. We can enter command that must be terminated by semicolon. Second example, compute 4 plus 3i into 1 minus I divided by 2 plus I. Open in Maxima software. So using syntax rat simp of 4 plus 3i in bracket 4 plus 3 plus I can be written as in Maxima software percentage I bracket complete. There is multiplication between 4 plus 3i, 1 minus I. So we use multiplication for multiplication star in bracket 1 minus I percentage I can be written as percentage I in Maxima software. So percentage I bracket complete, whole bracket complete, in bracket 4 plus 3i complete, 1 minus percentage I bracket complete divided by 2 plus I in bracket 2 plus percentage of I bracket complete and whole bracket complete, then enter. Commands that must be terminated by semicolon. There is multiplication between 3i, so we use star for multiplication, then enter. We get output of 4 plus 3i into 1 minus I divided by 2 plus I. So this is output. Next example, third question, convert the polar form or exponential form of 1 minus I raised to 4 in Maxima software. First assign z by using colon, Z is equal to 1 minus I, 1 minus I. So I can be written as percentage I bracket complete raised to 4, then enter. Assign value of Z is 1 minus I raised to 4. We have to find polar form of Z. So using syntax, polar form of Z, then enter. We get output. Polar form of Z is 4 e raised to I pi. Next example. Fourth, find the conjugate modulus principal argument of 1 minus 3i plus 1 plus 6i. First, simplify 1 minus 3i divided by 1 plus 6i, multiply by and divide by 1 minus 6i. Then simplify this, we get minus in bracket 17 plus 9i upon 37. So first, divide in denominator 1 plus 6i, 1 minus 6i. First simplify this. So by using syntax rat sim of 1 plus 6i, there is multiplication. So using star percentage of I I can be written as percentage I bracket complete into means multiplication. There is multiplication between 1 plus 6i and 1 minus 6i. So multiplication. So 1 minus 6i is conjugate of 1 plus 6i. So use syntax conjugate of 1 plus 6i. There is multiplication between 6 and I. So use multiplication. For multiplication star, and I can be written as percentage I bracket complete, then bracket complete, enter. So simplify the value of 1 plus 6i into 1 minus 6i is 37. In numerator 1 minus 3i and 1 minus 6i, simplify first. So using syntax rat sim of 1 minus 3, there is multiplication between 3 and I. So use star for multiplication. So 3 star percentage I can be written in percentage I bracket complete into 1 minus 6i. So there is multiplication. So use star into 1 minus 6i. So this is conjugate of 1 plus 6i. So written as conjugate of 1 plus 6 multiplication percentage I bracket complete divide by 37 bracket complete, then enter. We get minus in bracket 9i plus 17 upon 37. This is simplification of 1 minus I into 4 plus 3i upon 2 plus I. 1 minus 3i upon 1 plus 6i. Next, first question, find out conjugate. So conjugate of percentage I7 percentage I7 bracket complete, then enter. We get percentage because output in percentage, then enter. So we get find conjugate of minus in bracket 9 multiplication percentage I. Simplify for 1 minus 3i upon 1 plus 6i, we get minus 9i plus 70 upon 37. We have to find conjugate of 17 plus 9i upon 37. So conjugate of minus in bracket 9i. So there is multiplication. So use for multiplication star. So 9 star percentage I can be written as percentage I in Maxima software. So 9i plus 17 bracket complete divided by 37 and whole bracket complete, then enter. We get conjugate of 9 minus 9i plus 17 upon 37 is 9i minus 17 upon 37. Next we have to find modulus. So using syntax modulus. So using syntax for modulus, CABS of modulus of 9i minus in bracket 9i, there is multiplication. So use star 9 percentage I plus 17 bracket complete divided by 37 bracket complete, then enter. We get modulus of minus in bracket 9i plus 17 upon 37 is root 370 upon 37. Next, argument. So use syntax of argument CARG of minus in bracket 9i. So there is multiplication. So use star I can be written as percentage I plus 17 bracket complete divided by 37 bracket complete, then enter. We get principal argument of minus in bracket 9i plus 17 upon 37 is arc tan 9 upon 17 plus pi. Last, kill all bracket complete, then enter. Done. So removes all bindings in above items. So thank you. If you like this video, then subscribe and like. Thank you very much.